Hello everyone. Welcome back to 3 to 69 Path to Knowledge and Financial Freedom. In today's video, we're going to dive into the area of long-term investing. We'll go over everything you need to know to begin laying a solid financial foundation that will position you for long-term success. So let's get started if you're prepared to control your financial future. Here is what we will cover in this video. 1. What is long-term investing? 2. The benefits of long-term investing. 3. How to get started with long-term investing. 4. Common mistakes to avoid. Remember, achieving financial success is within your reach. What is long-term investing? Let's establish what long-term investing means before we move on. Simply defined, long-term investing is making purchases and keeping onto them for a considerable amount of time, generally 5 years or more. Long-term investing is all about patience and discipline, in contrast to short-term investing, when you acquire and sell investments fast to make a profit. Long-term benefits may result from keeping onto investments for a longer period of time because doing so gives them time to compound and develop. The benefits of long-term investing. What makes long-term investing appealing, then? Investing with a long-term perspective has a number of advantages. First of all, it enables you to benefit from compound interest, which is the concept that your investments grow by earning interest on interest that has already been earned. This could cause your investment portfolio to grow exponentially over time. The second benefit of long-term investing is that it helps you withstand short-term market swings. You can weather market ups and downs and maintain focus on your long-term objectives by keeping investments in your portfolio for a longer period of time. Finally, long-term investing is a terrific method to create wealth over time. You may build your portfolio and position yourself for a comfortable retirement by routinely making investments in high-quality stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. How to get started with long-term investing. After going through the advantages of long-term investing, let's discuss how to get started. Clearly defining your financial goals is the first step. What do you hope to accomplish through your investments? Do you wish to purchase a home, put money away for your children's education, or retire? After you've decided what your objectives are, you may start assembling a diversified investing portfolio. Common mistakes to avoid. Before we wind up, let's speak about some typical pitfalls to avoid when it comes to long-term investing. Don't try to time the market, first of all. As it is impossible to foresee when the market will rise or fall, concentrate on creating a diverse portfolio that can withstand sudden changes. Second, avoid making investments in ventures you are unfamiliar with. Do your homework, understand how it functions, and how it fits into your entire investment strategy before investing in a certain stock, bond, or mutual fund. Don't let your decisions about investments be influenced by your emotions. To sum up, it's simple to become enthralled by a hot stock or terrified by a market slump, but keep in mind that successful long-term investment needs patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. This concludes our video on long-term investing. We sincerely hope that this material was instructive and helpful. Always be patient, disciplined, and consistent when investing for the long run. Create a diverse investment portfolio, establish clear financial objectives, and avoid acting rashly in response to short-term market swings. You may reach your financial objectives and ensure a pleasant future with patience and a dependable investing strategy. If you have any questions about long-term investing or any other financial topics, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and we'll see you in the next video.